What's up, guys? I'm joined with George today, who is going to share 3 tips for how to sell 9,000 a month in used books. George is located down in Louisiana. He's been hustling, driving around, cherry picking books, and he's operating a pretty healthy book business, making some decent profits. And today he's going to share some tips with you guys. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you, Avery. Yes, 3 tips. I think the first one is consistency. You have to every week, not every day, but every week, have a certain output that you're planning. Mine is 10 boxes of books. And so I have UPS come and pick up my shipments on Fridays, and every time it's going to be 10 boxes of books. So consistency is, I think, the real key.
Yeah.
Number 2 is communications. You have to develop relationships. I'm on a cherry picking model,
Yep.
and I visit the thrift stores about every other day, and I have relationships with the thrift store owners to where they will point me to the shelves with new books, or to the recently restocked shelves of books.
Fresh inventory is the best inventory.
Absolutely. At the library sale, I go to a library sale once a month, and I'll bring them a very large bag of beignets, which is a New Orleans type of donut.
Oh,
And
yeah.
Yeah.
My friend lives down in Baton Rouge, and his family mailed us one of those. And my mom got so mad at me because she thought it was a box of books, because I was doing a lot of online arbitrage at the time. She set it aside for a month, was so embarrassed because she was like, they're going to be so mad that you didn't open this up and eat it. I'm like, well, you should have opened it, Mom.
They are decadent. They're fantastic. And
Yeah.
And so I'm sure that they're warm when I bring them, and so they love me, and so I can swing some pretty good deals with this library.
Nice. Yeah.
Yes.
Pro tip.
In fact, they at the end of the library sale, they scan all the remaining books and send them to Thrift Books, and Thrift Books cherry picks what books they want and what books they don't, and they send them to Thrift Books. So I'm thinking of stepping in and suggesting that, look, rather than doing all the scanning and sending and everything, I'll just take them. I'll pay you the $200 that you pay monthly to Thrift Books, and I'll take all your books. And they're bringing in about 2,000 books a month into the library, into Friends of the Library. And so that's another way this relationship should help in the future.
Yeah.
And then third, no matter what you think you learn on the internet, it's hard work. It's backbreaking work. Books are heavy. They're dirty. Yes.
I think I got these muscles.
Yes. Without lifting a weight, right?
Yeah.
But yes, it's hard work. And that's one of the reasons why Caleb's mantra is start up, scale up, step back.
Yep.
If you want to be able to step back at some point in the future, you're going to have to go through the hard work that it takes to find the inventory, build the systems to consistently get that inventory, and then to outsource the things that you're doing to replace yourself. And so to get to that point, it takes nothing but hard work. It doesn't take a lot of intellect, just hard work. That the ditch needs to be dug, and so you need to be the ditch digger.
I'm texting Caleb right now. He's been name dropped so many times today. I've been shooting videos. He keeps getting.
Of course, I saw. Don't you have a new video out with him?
Yeah, we did a live last night.
What has he done with his hair? It looks like he's trying to get a man bun or something.
It's funny. It doesn't even faze me anymore because I see him so much with it. But yeah, he's a hippie now.
Yeah, hippie.
He's working on his spiritual side.
Yeah, he is more of a square than I am, and I've always been the banker accounting square, and he's even more square than I am. So to start growing a ponytail, that's great.
Yeah. Yeah. He's embracing the feminine nature side of life now that he's dominated the business world, so he's got to go the other direction.
I like that feminine nature side.
Well, all right, Gio, those are some awesome tips. If people have any questions for you, they can reach out to you in the Facebook group you said.
Absolutely. The Go To Lister Facebook group or Caleb's, the Book Flipper
The Book
group.
Flipper community. It's Gio on Facebook. And also, if you guys want to enroll in a challenge yourself, just like Gio was saying, one of the best things you can do is send more inventory. Be consistent and really be consistent in sending inventory. He's sending 10 boxes a week. Each of those boxes, I guarantee you, is probably making them $200-$300 profit a pop. So if you're consistent sending those in, you might not feel like you're making money for the first 2 months, but eventually, if you're consistent, you keep sending those boxes in, you're going to have big Amazon payouts, way more in Amazon payouts than what you're spending on books, and your bank account's going to go up. So if you want to challenge yourself, consider joining Feed the Beast Challenge. We meet every single week with the community. It's 100% free. Some people charge thousands of dollars for this. I used to charge hundreds of dollars for my course. You get everything free in here. My course, my Scout IQ triggers, everything you can imagine. The link is below. Much love, and thanks, Gio, for coming on.
Thank you.